shit. Because remember, if they fuck up the equipment, guess who's stuck holding the equipment? The financiers. That means all of us who put up the money are the ones who flip the bill.
They have to achieve. They have to determine whether it's feasible, viable.
Right, but that's not financing. That's doing research. It's different.
That's not doing research.
Yes, it is.
No, but finance is a science, not an art. There's a you have to for certain projects you need a certain rate of return.
You need money. That's all.
What?
Yeah, it's money in a mathematical thing.
You can have a lot of money. It doesn't necessarily mean that your investment will make a suitable return. You can have a lot of money. It doesn't mean it's going to make a suitable return.
I didn't say there's a guarantee anything.
So there's math involved.
I can play the lotto.
There's equations that are involved to make sure that it.
Playing the lotto, is that hard work? Thank you.
You're gambling. You're playing a game.
That's what all financing is.
You're playing a game. No,
dude,
it's
when
not.
you buy stock, that's gambling.
No, it's
Same
not.
thing. Yes, it is.
No, because you're making an investment in a company that has a
legalized gambling. Everybody knows that.
It's not.
Everybody knows that.
Gambling is I'm playing the lottery and hoping that some numbers actually hit. Okay, me investing in Coca-Cola is not gambling. I'm investing in a corporation that has 150,000 employees.
Can you lose your
money?
money?
You can lose money in anything. You can lose money in this house.
Thank you. It's gambling.
I'm sorry.
Wow. It's not gambling.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Everybody knows it's legalized gambling. It's common sense.
If I buy a lawnmower
yeah.
and I get it at one price and they say, well, it's broken, we're not going to give you the price you bought it for, you're losing 10%. Did I gamble?
Yeah.
I didn't gamble.
Yeah, you gambled on the fucking lawnmower to make sure
it didn't work out. It's not a gamble.
Yes, it is. You gambled to make sure.
Gambling, you have a 50-50 odds of losing your money.
No, where do you get that from?
A lot of times, the odds of you losing your money even higher when you gamble.
Dude, okay, what's the actual number before something becomes gamble?
It's like my old man used to.
What's the actual number?
When the odds of you losing your money are a lot higher than making money, that's gambling.
51%?
That's gambling.
So some stocks are more dangerous than 51%.
No, Andy, there's nothing in life is guaranteed, so in that sense, everything's a gamble.
Yeah, pretty much.
So you really can't argue that,
So stock market's gambling. I'm sorry, it is.
Can you do research on a lotto number?
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah, you can go look at the past numbers and see if there's any patterns. Of course you can.
Really?
But I thought it was random, though.
Yeah, you know what? Okay. For example, I was playing Take 5, right?
Yeah,
and 1 month, numbers 1 and 2, for some reason, they kept coming up, 1 and 2. So that means if I played 1 and 2, and I got those numbers out of the way, then I was playing 3 more numbers.
The outcome of those numbers is pretty random. It could be any number.
Yeah, but what are the odds of in 1 month, 1 and 2 coming up like 20 times?
Is a corporation's earnings
for some
growth
reason that was
random? Does it go from like negative 300 to positive 400 from one quarter to the next? Is that how corporations fluctuate in their earnings?
I don't know.
They're not as random as lotto numbers. Gambling.
Yeah, but it's still a risk. You can still lose all your money.
I'll tell you this: if you were rich, you wouldn't be saying half this shit that you're saying now.
You can bank on that.
You bank on that.
Oh boy.
You'd be saying those. You're just lazy. You didn't work hard for your money. That's why you don't have any.
Dude, no, I still would say it because I know damn well the difference between real work and sitting back and raking money in.
What's your definition of real work?
Blisters.
You gotta move your muscles. How about moving your...
So when I'm sitting at a desk fucking writing a check out, that's not moving my muscles?
No, that's bullshit.
Okay, when I'm typing something, that's... You know what the problem with you? You're an elitist. You think that someone's work is more valuable or more honorable than someone else's work. And I think that's offensive. Okay? If a doctor sits behind a desk and he's advising someone on medication, is he not working? Because he's not moving his muscles. He doesn't have a pitchfork in the ground.
He did the work already.
He went to school. So if I'm a banker, I didn't do my work by going to school and educating myself so that I can create wealth and jobs for people. That's not work.
Listen, the doctor still gets paid hourly. He doesn't fucking gamble his money and rake it in.
No, a doctor gets paid by the patient.
Well, yeah, but he gets paid by the amount of work he does.
And if I'm a banker, I get paid by how many accounts I bring in, and I have to make my investors money, or so I'm not going to have a job. That's how I work. That's how I earn my living.
Gambling.
How do you think the pension funds are so rich, and they're able to provide adequate funding for retirees? They have to invest their money to make more money.
They gamble it.
They don't gamble.
They gamble it. You can call it investing all you want.
In true gambling, you know the outcome within seconds, and you either lost everything or you...
You don't have to have it within seconds, no.
All right, if it's a lotto, you can wait a day or two.
Yeah, there's no... What are you seconds?
It's a form.
Dude, you got a wrong definition, buddy. Gambling means you risk your fucking money and you could lose it all.
You're using the word gambling too liberally.
No, I'm not.
Everything's a gamble.
No, but with some investments, you'll never lose 100%.
How do you know that?
Because
like what?
You invest in treasury bills. If you invest in treasury bills,
that's not gambling.
If you bought IBM for the past 100
years, that's an investment. I have to go to a stockbroker who buys securities to buy treasury bills.
Like if you buy bonds that are guaranteed never to lose value, that's not gambling. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about stock market.
First of all, say that again. So if you buy if you buy what? Say that again.
If you buy a bond, like a state bond.
Okay, so your problem is not the stock market. Your problem is equity.
Well, there are such bonds like
equity ownership,
treasury bills, right? From the government. They never lose it. They're guaranteed.
Yeah, but the government might. If the government forecloses on its bills, they're not going to pay your bond back.
There's a reason there's more risk associated with the stocks or equity owners.
All I'm saying is if you have a guarantee, then it's not gambling.
So in other words, it's not gambling as long as the odds are like 99%.
Like if you put your money into a CD, right?
Yeah.
And even if the bank goes under, it's insured, FDIC. That's not gambling.
Have a cell phone that we could use? Sorry, Slug.
That's a real investment.
Bad for the environment and people who
There's a difference.
Well, I hope for your sake that one day you find a very charming woman that you like, that'll actually treat you nicely, you know. And
I told you what kind of woman he needs.
They're all psycho.
She's got to be a cop. She's got to be deeply, deeply religious. Deeply, like going to church like 2 or 3 times a week.
Dude, that runs so fast.
And she's got to be a dominatrix who completely dominates.
I was just thinking that. I was just thinking that.
All down the street. I'd be so gone in an instant. You crazy?
Don't you know that? Don't you know psychologically everybody has like 2 sides to their personality? So I'm sure deep down inside,
bipolar people.
No, deep down inside, when we don't know you and you're alone with a woman, there's probably some.
Everybody's bipolar. Give me a break.
No, you probably got some. Got some. What do you got? You got a dungeon?
I'm totally open about
you got a dungeon somewhere?
Dungeon. Dungeon.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you like wear leather when you're like with a woman? You know?
No, leather jacket.
No, I mean just like nothing but leather, you know.
Oh yeah, nothing but okay.
You know, whips and chains, you know.
Yeah, all that fun stuff. Sure.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's why I got all these fucking marks all over me, right?
Yeah.
By the way, did you see the new Star Wars trailer?
Yeah, they turned it into Star Trek.
Yeah, but you know how
J.J. Abrams sucks, all right?